Hi, in this video I will show you how you can optimize your thumbnail for ranking your YouTube video. So after watching this video you will be able to do the SEO for your YouTube thumbnail, and I will give you the complete detail about YouTube thumbnail SEO. So before we start, let me introduce you something which is very important, which is Vision AI. Sorry, Vision AI. So what is Vision AI? So when we put something, uh, when we put pictures on website or YouTube video, actually they can read our images. Yes, they can read whatever we put on the thumbnail. The AI algorithm can read our images and can make the decision about the thumbnail. So let's see an example. So here you can find an option. First, let's go to the YouTube and download one thumbnail and check about the thumbnail. So let's search Mr. Beast. So let's download this thumbnail.
We are at a high school and I'm about to offer this student $100,000.
Let's download the thumbnail. And now let's check. Traffic lights. So now the Vision AI will give us something very special. So as you can see, it see a face which is surprised, right? Surprising thing. Actually it is the object, packaged good, and person. So the video was about money, and here also the Vision AI also can identify that something a person and something that goods. So that is hand, green, yellow. That's not what we want to say. The text. So as you can see, it can also read the text over here. So it's counted 100, which is a number, as you can see. So this is a good thumbnail, right? Dollars. This video is about money, and the Google Cloud API of Vision AI can read there is a dollar sign over here. So it's the best thumbnail, right? So for the safe search, you can also check over here. This is not adult thing, not spoof. Spoof, you can understand spoof by spamming thing, not a medical thing, not violence, not about race. So this is the perfect thumbnail for the video. So that's why Mr. Beast ranks so much higher. So you must be sure about that. About the safe search, your rank should be like this. Your one should be racy, violence, medical, spoof, and adult. Your thumbnail should also be qualified like this. I will show you how we can make this happen. So uh, now we understand how the YouTube understand the thumbnail. So now let's create one thumbnail. For creating thumbnail, I'm going to canva.com. You can choose whatever you want. That's not a problem. So now let's design a thumbnail. So I am not a good graphic designer. So if you are a good graphic designer, then your thumbnail would be awesome. And the mixer, and with mix of SEO, your thumbnail will just rank. So let's choose a thumbnail about what about something like marketing. So let's choose about marketing, right? So let's choose this one. So this is good marketing. This was a dollar sign. So about this is marketing, I think cash should be good, right? Cash. So that would be enough, good enough, right? Sorry. Select this one and add this one over here, and let's click the position to background. Let's refresh the page. It is not looking much good. Do this one, and let's say how to become successful. How to become successful uh, on digital marketing, right? How to become successful on digital marketing. So let's delete this and make this much more bigger. So that's the thumbnail. You have to make your text on the thumbnail more bold. That's also specified by YouTube itself, that thumbnail text should be bigger and bold. So try to make as big as possible. So what we are doing, just making a simple thumbnail just to show you the thing. So after making the thumbnail, make sure you download the thumbnail and upload it to the Vision AI. So when you're going to download your thumbnail, make sure you give the thumbnail name according to the same as your title of your video. So now let's check what this API detect. So as I can see here, detect a face. This face may be for the dollars face. The object here that found packaged good, that's good because I want to show the money kind of things over here, because it is showing the successful. And let's check the text option. So let's see whether it detects the text or not. That's the main thing, it detects the text, how to become successful on digital marketing. That's the main important thing. And here I can see it detects spam. I think because so many of text on the dollars, that's why it's detect as spam. Make sure you have less spam and violence, but it's okay. But make sure, less spam is more effective. So thanks for watching.